The name of this webinar is Test and Code,
Yeah.
right? And I love that phrase because everybody, traditionally we talked about code then test, and then you heard a lot of test before code or test first, right? But your concept is these two are in sync, right? Can you talk a little bit about the philosophy of test and code as a way to think about this process, right?
Yeah, I think that when you start to think about them as one process, right, that they're intertwined, that you can't do one without the other, that when you eliminate that, throw it over the wall, somebody else will test it, right? So even at the very beginning, when you're getting an understanding, those programmers are in those conversations. They're thinking about implementation. They're not actually coding yet, unless they're doing maybe a simulation or a spike or something, but they're thinking about implementation. So when we're testing ideas and they're thinking about their implementation, it's intertwined all the way through. So I tell people to take that then, code then test, because it's in our heads when you start to think about it. You automatically assume that testing comes after, but it doesn't. It's intertwined. So take that then, throw it away, put it in an and actually flip it to say test and code, so that you're thinking about testing first, but it's still intertwined with coding all the way through.